Do you grow ornamental grasses? I'm going to show you how you can make your own very large snowman just by using your ornamental grasses at the end of the year. And it won't cost you anything, except maybe for jute cord. So let's get started. Okay, so we have cut down our grasses and we have separated them into bundles. Here are two of them. And we took a piece of jute cord and we tied the bottoms. And then we're going to wrap jute cord around them. And twist it around so we can form a circle with these grasses. And that's what we'll do next. Okay, so you take your jute cord and you wrap it around real tight so you can form a circle. And then you tie them together. And I went over mine again just so it was very, very tight and that circle stayed together. And then you make two more circles. And I put a rod behind mine to tie it to so it stood up and it actually got to go into the ground. And I tied it to that shrub behind it too, so in case strong winds come by, it won't knock it over. But we'll go all the way to the top here so you can see a snowman. And I made a hat out of sticks. See him on the side over here. See his little hat and his head. And here on the very top one I let the ends overlap so he has a scarf. So if we come back this way without falling over. We have a finished snowman. And that took hardly any time at all. And there you can see him from farther off. He's a pretty big one. Ready for Christmas. By the way, the home sign that I made during the summer, or late fall, now it's ready for Christmas with its little pole being an ornament. And here's a couple of sock snowmen. We got snowmen all over the place here. But please like this video if you could. Share it if you could. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. I need more and more subscribers. So let me know if you do your own very little outdoor snowman. Let me know if you like the video. Thank you for watching. And as always, please subscribe for more.